The power and promise of genetic engineering. Genetic engineering has the potential to eliminate diseases, enhance human traits, and extend lifespans. With technologies like CRISPR, scientists can edit DNA with unprecedented precision. However, these advancements raise serious ethical concerns about where to draw the line. Curing diseases versus enhancing humans. While genetic engineering can help eradicate genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia, using it for human enhancement, such as intelligence or physical abilities, creates ethical dilemmas about fairness and accessibility. Designer babies and social inequality. The ability to select traits in embryos could lead to designer babies, where only the wealthy can afford genetic advantages. This may increase social inequality and create a divide between genetically enhanced individuals and those born naturally. Unintended genetic consequences. Editing human DNA carries risks of unintended mutations. A small mistake in genetic modifications could lead to unforeseen health complications, potentially affecting future generations in irreversible ways. The moral status of genetically modified embryos. Altering the genetic makeup of embryos raises ethical questions about the moral status of human life. Should we have the right to manipulate human genetics, and at what stage does an embryo have rights? Genetic privacy and discrimination risks. As genetic data becomes more accessible, concerns about privacy and discrimination arise. Employers and insurance companies could use genetic information to deny jobs or coverage based on potential health risks. Animal and environmental concerns. Genetic engineering isn't limited to humans. Modifying animals for food production or medical research has sparked debates about animal welfare, biodiversity disruption, and the long-term impact on ecosystems. Playing God, the ethical debate. Religious and philosophical debates question whether humans should interfere with natural evolution. Some argue that genetic modifications go against nature, while others see it as a moral obligation to reduce suffering. Regulation and global standards. Different countries have different policies on genetic engineering, making global regulation challenging. International guidelines are needed to prevent unethical practices and ensure responsible use of genetic technology. Finding the ethical balance. Genetic engineering holds immense potential but must be handled with caution. Striking a balance between medical benefits and ethical concerns will determine how far we should go in shaping the future of human genetics.